Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to add items to favorites on the Nike Store application. So how to add items to favorites on the Nike Store application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Nike Store app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Nike Store app. Next, search for and select the item you want to add to your favorites. For example, here I selected this item. It will appear like this. Then, scroll down. Next, tap the love icon below. Now, you're done adding items to your favorites. To see it, please open the Favorites menu. You can see it has been successfully added here. So that's it, the tutorial on how to add items to your favorites on the Nike Store application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.